Alright, I just destroyed a really nice cabinet in an effort. There's the bits and bobs. That's the British thing. And I got that from Aquaholic, my favorite. I don't know why, but I like looking at yacht videos of inside tours of yachts. I don't even like the ocean. As a matter of fact, I hate the ocean. But I love looking inside yachts. I don't know why. I guess I could go on a yacht as long as it didn't leave a dock. But the second you get much further away than throwing a rock distance in a boat from the shore, I'm not interested. So anyway, bits and bobs. That's where I got that. I just tore this up. I'm going to move all this over here to free up my table. I'm doing my layout work over here. I'm doing my sharpening over here. I'm doing my epoxy over here. And this here, this is just where the handle magic happens here. Oh, and I just sold another BC Special. So Jay said his wife doesn't watch my videos, so I can say his name. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I got it cut out, and here's your. I think this, of all the wood I got here, this is I got some more spalted, stabilized hackberry, but I pulled out the pieces that I thought were the most highly figured, and I think this one will be the best one to use. But maybe I could put this on my belt set. Maybe that one. You know what? That's it. I'm going to use that one. All right, scratch that. Matter of fact, I'm going to hit this with my belt sander real quick. Well, I sanded a little bit on it, and then I realized it has a crack. What a shame. So, let me get the knife and see just where that crack would end up. I'm right-handed. Yeah. Doggone it. Could I avoid it this way? Yes, I could. I don't know how far in the crack goes. I'll try this piece. And what I'll do is I'll cut it in half. Yeah. I'll try it. I'll see. I mean, I got nothing to lose. It's stabilized, but in the drying process, sometimes they crack. That's just all there is to it. Can't avoid it. And you're going to lose, a piece or two now and then. All right, let me get this transferred over. All right, I made a little room over here. That's nice to have that better utilized, and I moved the stuff that was there over there. So, I am, let's see, this is Jeff's dinner skinner. I'm working on Jeff's dinner skinner right now. I got Phil's neck knife, 2 dinner skinners for Fred. I'm working on Jeff's, and Blake has a dinner skinner and a neck knife. So those are the, and I'm sanding these up to 180. That's all I'm doing right now. I get them all up to 180. And then I'll start working on one at a time, sanding them up to 800. That's my satin finish. And then Jay bought a knife from me, and I told him I could hear its lonely cries at night, and it needed a second knife, and he agreed. So I found some really cool wood. This is a mystery buyer. I'm not going to work on these today. Actually, I'm going to get all these up to 800. And when I get all these done, then I'm going to work on these. Let's see, where is... Okay, Jay's knife is right there. I gotta cut it out, and I'll do that today. I'll get it cut out and put in the box there, because I still have all this cleaning. I had to basically... I don't know if I told you or not, my filter on my vacuum cleaner, I spent probably 2 hours cleaning that vacuum cleaner up. And there's this nut that's supposed to go on the filter that hold it up. And the nut was missing. I guess it fell off, and when I dumped it, probably went in a garbage can, and who knows how long ago that was. So before I leave today, I'm going to be cleaning up, and anyway, I got a lot to do, and I'm feeling pretty good. I'm moving along. So I have 8 knives to make. I'm happy. Oh my goodness, what a long day. I have got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 knives, sanded up to 180. I have 2 more orders here. Jay, I think I already showed you. Jay, and he wants his initials. And mystery buyer. So these 2 are sort of getting put on a hold for now. I've already spoke to both the owners, and they're fine with waiting. So I'm going to devote my time to these, and tomorrow I might have all of them sanded up to 800. That's a big day, but I cleaned up my shop, which was a major. That's why I went ahead and drilled the holes in these knives so I could get all my metal shavings cleaned up. I've rearranged a little bit. I got a lot done today, including cleaning up. Oh, God. I'm really tired. And now I'm dizzy. Okay, so it's 4 o'clock. My dogs eat at 4. And my wife feeds them in the morning. I feed them at night. You a hungry boy? Breezy, are you a hungry boy? He is not a big eater. We have to make him eat. Sometimes we can't make him eat in the morning. He won't eat in the morning. He'll eat in the afternoon. That's it. Okay. See you tomorrow.